Hi guys, today we're going to be drawing an Arabian horse. So first you can see I already started but with the head, so pause it really quick and try to copy. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take your pencil and go right here to the top and make a kind of a little, not a C, but like a, you know what I mean, like a little doodad thing that kind of looks like a carrot and a triangle, like that. And so now you're going to go right here and do your hair for your Arabian. And so you have your horse like that. So then you're going to get this, and you see this little piece right here? You're going to get that and just kind of make that look a little 3D, so you're going to shade it like that. So now you can get the other side and do the other nose hole. And you see this right here? Get that, and that's the bottom of its mouth. So now your Arabian looks super cute. So now you're going to have his eyes like this. And then you're going to do his eyelid. So now do his eyebrow, and then shade his eyelid in. There. Now do a small circle or oval inside your horse's eye like that. This is just how you can see it looks. And then do the little back space, or it's like around what your horse is around its eye. And then do little lines like that. And then do a circle inside it, and then color it in. Like that. So now your Arabian looks extra cute. So now you're in his body. And if you wanted to make him running or standing, I'm making him standing. So now you're going to do his little body where it goes like that. And so now race right here and do his hawk. His hawk is like a knee, but for the back of the leg. And now do this down. Okay, another leg. So now once you have the two legs like that, you're gonna do this. Make a little bottom like that. Do the stomach, and he has a chubby stomach for a little while. That. So now what you're gonna do, erase the bum so it doesn't look like he's super chubby. And now what you're gonna do is this. Make the little back like this. And like that. So it will look like this. So then you're gonna have your little legs like that. Just like that. And then go like this.